Greetings, guys. Sorry, Ellie. Right, just put that in there. There you go, pup. Right. I'll be with you in a minute. Right. I'm on a stealth again. That's getting really boring, that is. Yes, I am stealthing. I hope you guys can hear all right, because apparently the volume's not very good on this this little tablet. But yeah, I'm stealthing, and I am. I'm going to have to edit this one. I thought it was just going to be a do it and pop it up, but no. Yeah, oh, sorry about that. Let's switch that off. Who's that? Oh, more Facebook updates. No, it's not. Oh, got no signal with this thing anyway. Only with my tablet. So how we doing, guys? All right? Just having a cup of coffee. Yeah, me and Ellie, we're stealthing tonight. Oh, it's nice to get out. I did have a meet up with me mate in his field last week, which was nice. That was really nice. That was a nice night. That was a nice night out. That was. I enjoyed that. I didn't get away till late this evening, so I didn't get a chance to film anything or everything. So I just thought I'd put up a little stealthy vlog. So what would you like? Tea? Coffee? Okay then. It's good to be polite, isn't it? You're just balanced there, I'm afraid. Is that better? You're just balanced on there. Actually, is that better? No, that's worse, isn't it? Yeah, you're just balanced on the shelf there, on a little bag. So don't move too fast, or you'll fall off. A spoon. Yeah, van's coming on all right. Sorry I never put one up recently. No, when's this one? Oh, I don't know. I expect this one will probably go up on Monday, because I'm hoping I'll just plop it straight up, because I ain't really got a lot of time to edit at the moment. Yeah, so it's Halloween tonight. And it's a bit of a madhouse at home, so I thought I'm going to get out, and yeah, I'm going to do a stuff. I was going to do a cooking vid for you guys, but I never got to get any ingredients, because it's a bit of a madhouse, and I never got to get nothing. So I've got some dog biscuits. Not for me, obviously. Well, I suppose you could eat it if you were desperate. Some marmalade. A bit of jam I managed to spoon into this little tub. Butter. And a couple of pieces of bread. Straight out of the bread bin. Only quickly. So I have no idea how long they've been in the bread bin. So they might be just some slabs of mould. I have no idea. Yeah, so whatever. But that's what it's like some nights. If you want to go on a quick stealth, it's sometimes it's just a case of grabbing whatever you can and chuck it in a bag quick, and off you go, like, you know. But yeah, it's all good fun. I haven't got as much stuff in here at the moment. My stocks are very low at the minute. I used to have a lot more stuff in here, but I've not got a lot in here at the minute. I've ordered some new mugs for my van, so thank you to Sheila for that one. So thank you, my love. So I'll toast you when they arrive, all right? I've still got these old ones. These have been brilliant. I don't know where I got them. There's no markings or nothing on them, but they're stainless steel insulated, and they keep the tea or coffee or whatever warm for ages, which is good, because if you're camping and you make yourself a nice hot brew, and then you go and sit outside, it gets stone cold in no time. But with these, it stays hot for ages, which is really good. I've got 2 of these. I think the other one wants cleaning out. It's a bit, you know, the old tea stains, you get a bit black, don't they, inside? I've cleaned this one out. You see that? Not very well. Yeah, just filming on the tablet, I'm afraid, because I didn't get a chance to even bring a camera. I got a camera out this afternoon, put it on the side to bring with me, and I never got any chance to bring it. So it was all a bit of a rush. To get out. Get out in stealth. I don't know what time it is now. It's no, it's not. What is the time? God, it's only 7:15. 7:15. I thought it was much later than that. Well, I hate it when the clocks go back, because it's all dark and dingy too much earlier in the evenings. It's like you're losing an hour of your day. It was much better if they just left it all the time. At least I think so. Yes, the field of view isn't very good with this tablet, I'm afraid. It's a bit limited. I'm not quite. I'm gonna sit relaxed back here, but you won't be able to hear me, because the volume is a bit low on this for some reason. I don't know why. I did a little vlog on over on my West Country channel, and yeah, if you guys like if you guys like watching my vlogs, then go over to West Country Yokel, because that's more of my vlogging channel. I tend to do 1 or 2 a week on that one. So if you want to see my ugly mug a bit more, I have no idea why, but if you do, you can go and have a listen to me waffling on that one. But yeah. Yeah, it's doing alright with the van. I've been having a bit of a think, really. I hope you can hear alright over the kettle. Let's turn it down a bit, that'd be better. It's a bit noisy, isn't it? Yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, it's doing alright. Because I'm still in the planning stage. I've obviously got to do all the welding and everything, and there's still weeks of work on that. There's loads and loads to do still. So yeah, still on the planning stage. I've decided to go for like a leatherette, I think, especially with Ellie and having kids and that. It makes such a mess. I mean, if you can see with this thing, it's got really dirty. You can't see, can you? Can you see that? No, I don't think you can. No. But it's really dirty. Of course, you can't clean it because it's a futon. It's all stitched, so I can't clean it. That's hence the throw. You see, I put a throw over it, so at least if Ellie jumps on it with her mucky feet, if she jumps on with her mucky feet, then I can just take the throw indoors and wash it. But I think I might go for some sort of leatherette or something like that. I don't know. It'd be nice to actually use leather because it's breathable. Oh yeah, I fancy a leatherette, but I don't know how good the stuff is. I don't know how long it'll last. I suppose you get 10 years out of it. But I'm thinking, will it split and dry out, and will it be too sticky to sleep on? Do you know what I mean? I just don't know. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. If any of you guys have tried anything like that, stick some comments down the bottom and let us know what you think. But that's what I was toying with, and I thought it'd probably be easier to make as well, because if you get your foam, you can stretch your leatherette over the foam and then maybe have a wooden base and then just staple it onto the bottom. I think it'd be easier to make than trying to stitch cushions. I mean, I have done cushions like that before, you know, for like in caravans and that, but it's so time consuming, it takes so long. And it's really hard to stitch around the edges. You know, you get like that hem bit on the edge, around the edge, where you get, what do they call it, piping is it, or something, or whatever it is. You know, and you stitch it around the edges, and it's really hard to stitch through because you've got like 4 or 5 or 6 pieces of cloth you're trying to stitch through, and if it's really thick it's almost impossible. So I've been there, done that. Plus I get a bit of Arthur in my hand, a little bit, so repetitive stuff like that, and my hand starts to seize up a little bit. All the years of painting and decorating, you see, holding a brush, and it's I bent my thumb back donkey's years back. I hit it on something and I bent my thumb back to there. So I think I tore some ligaments inside my hand in here. So it tends to seize up sometimes. It goes like that, and I can't do things with it, especially when it's cold. But never mind. Let's check my kettle then, see if it's boiled. And we'll make us a cup of tea, shall we? Or a coffee. What I tend to do is to watch for the steam, like that. And when it just starts to steam, that's ready for me. So there we go. That's ready. That'll do me, because it cuts down the condensation in here as well, you see. Because if you've got that boiling away, you've got so much steam and muck in here. There was sorry, changing the subject. When I come in the car park, there's someone else here. Can you hear that? There's a load of... Hold on a minute. Right then, how's that? Is that better? I hope this is working. There's a couple of cars just turned up. They must be going to a bonfire night or fireworks or something. So I'm trying to keep my voice down. Hence stealth camping, you see. Because if I start shouting to you, then that's not very stealthy, is it? That's way too long. That's 15 minutes. Right, I'm going to show you a quick thing of Ellie. Ellie. I don't know if you got to see her or not. I hope you did. It's a bit dark. Anyway, there's a few cars here, so I'm going to sign off. Hope you guys are all lovely and well, and hope you have a great rest of the week. And I'm going to finish my coffee. Love and light, guys. Peace in every step, and I'll see you next vid.